Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here at another machine learning session. Today we are going to discuss about statistics, some of the important concepts in statistics. That is normal distribution. It's also known as Gaussian distribution, normal distribution or Gaussian distribution, and standard normal distribution, which is a special case of normal distribution. So two things we are going to cover in this video, and one more aspect we are going to discuss is Z-score. We have already videos related to Z-score in the playlist that is for detecting outliers. We use Z-score, so you can watch those videos as well. For standard normal distribution, we use Z-score, so we will be discussing that as well. See, what is normal distribution? See, normal distribution, it's a very simple concept. It's a probability function that explains how the values of a variable are distributed. It is a symmetric distribution. It's very important. It is a symmetric distribution where most of the observations comes around the central peak and the probabilities for the values further away from the mean taper off equally in both directions. The normal distribution is the most important probability distribution in statistics. It fits many natural phenomena. For example, heights, blood pressure, measurement error, IQ scores all follows normal distribution. It's also known as Gaussian distribution. See, what we are telling is it is symmetric about the mean. If this is the mean, then this is the normal. It is symmetrical about the mean. This is what you need to understand. So this normal distribution, it is also known as the bell curve. So three names are there: normal distribution, or Gaussian distribution, or bell curve. This is the shape of a bell. That's why we are calling it as bell curve. The important point here you need to understand is only one point. It is symmetric about the mean. So this portion must be symmetric to the other side. So both these two sides, this is the mean, these two sides should be symmetric. Okay, you got it. Now, example of normal distribution, we told heights, blood pressure, measurement error, IQ scores follow normal distribution. This is the normal distribution and this is the mean, and it is symmetrical. This side is symmetrical to the opposite side. Both the sides are symmetrical in this distribution. This normal distribution is also known as bell curve or Gaussian distribution. Both are same concepts only. Normal distribution or Gaussian distribution, also known as bell curve. See, parameters of standard deviation. See, the normal distribution has two important parameters: mean and standard deviation. These two, mean and standard deviation, are the two important parameters of this bell curve or normal distribution or Gaussian distribution. We have separate videos for mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. Please watch those videos. Mean, it is the average, right? Standard deviation explains the spread of data, how the data is spread across. That's what standard deviation measures, the spread of data. You watch those videos. These are all important concepts in machine learning and statistics. Please watch those videos. The parameters for normal distribution define its shape and probabilities. The shape changes based on the parameter values. What you need to understand is the shape of the bell curve sorry, changes based on this parameter values. Parameter values means mean and standard deviation. Based on the mean and the standard deviation, the parameter value, the shape of the bell curve changes. The shape of the standard deviation changes. The shape of the Gaussian distribution changes. All are same. So you understood this. That's really important. This is for different mean. Here the mean is different. For this bell curve, this is the mean. The second red bell curve, this is the mean. This is the mean. The mean is different here, but both of them having the same standard deviation, same. So two plots having the different mean and same standard deviation. So the shape and the distribution of the normal distribution changes based on the parameters. The parameters means the mean and standard deviation. See, what are all the properties of normal distribution or Gaussian distribution or bell curve? The mean, median, mode are all equal. All these things, these concepts you may be familiar. Mean, it's the fundamental concepts. What is mean? What is median? You need, if you don't know, please learn it. This is really important. We have a separate video in the playlist statistics. Without knowing these three terms, you cannot learn statistics and machine learning. Mean, median, mode. What is the and next is standard deviation, then variance, covariance. Is it no, lot of things are there. First you learn, if you don't know, you learn mean, median and mode. The mean, median, mode should be equal. All these three things should be equal for normal distribution. Half of the population is less than the mean and half is greater than the mean. That means when you take the bell curve, see here, half is, this is the mean, half is less than the mean, the next half is greater than the mean. That's what we are trying to say. They are all symmetric. The normal distribution cannot model skewed distributions. They cannot model skewed distributions because this normal distribution is symmetric. Standard normal, so I told I will be covering the standard normal distribution. It is little bit different from the normal distribution, or standard normal distribution is also known as Z distribution. The normal distribution has different shapes depending on the parameter values that we discussed. The standard normal distribution is a special case. The standard normal distribution is a special case of the normal distribution where the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. So when mean equal to 0 and standard deviation is equal to 1, then such normal distributions we call it as Z distribution or standard normal distribution. Standard normal distribution. To what is standard normal distribution? It is a type of normal distribution where mean is equal to 0 and standard deviation is equal to 1. Standard normal distribution is also known as Z distribution. Simple, you got it. Now for Z distribution or Z score, we have Z distribution or standard normal distribution. To define or the characteristics of or the parameter of standard normal distribution or Z distribution is Z score. Z score is also known as standard score. A standard score represents the number of standard deviations above or below the mean that a specific observation falls. For example, a standard score of 1.5 indicates that the observation is 1.5 standard deviation above the mean. On the other hand, a negative score represents a value below the average. The mean has a Z score of 0. That's all. That's all about Z score. That's all about Z score or standard score. That is, the mean has a Z score of 0. So next, what you need to understand if you want more clarity on Z score, because Z score we used to, Z score we used to detect the outliers. That is another important, outliers. And see, we have a separate video in the playlist for this feature engineering. You have this video how to detect using Z score and box plot, Z score, IQR score, interquartile range, IQR score. All these things, all mathematical functions and visualization tools we use to detect the outliers by using feature engineering. Fine. So there also we use this Z score. If you want to learn more about Z score, you can watch that video. Here I am giving just the formula for Z score. This is the important formula for Z score. Z score, Z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. X is the data point, mu is the mean, sigma is the standard deviation. So standard deviation is a number used to tell how measurements for a group are spread out from the average or mean or expected value. You know it. So this is the math of Z score. This is the mathematical. X is the data point. Sigma is the standard deviation. Mu is the mean. You know it. So if you want to learn more about Z score and how you detect the outliers, how you handle the outliers, you can watch the videos in the playlist feature engineering. So there you can learn more about Z score, intraquartile range, IQR score, then a box plot. That's a visualization method. These are all mathematical functions. You can learn that as well. So that's about the normal distribution and standard distribution, standard normal distribution. That's all about the Gaussian distribution. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.